Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to watch Secret Sauce with your girl Chris. Today we are going to be making canoas de plátano, or in English called sweet plantain canoes. They're called that way because they're literally shaped like a canoe. They're going to be very tasty, so stay tuned and watch. So good. I mean, come on. Don't you want to try it? Don't you want to try a piece? I know you do. Alright, so why don't you comment, like, subscribe so we can continue the rest of the video. So we're just going to get started. We're going to start with the ends first. We're going to run a slit right down the middle. We're going to use the knife to pull the peel apart. Run your finger right under the peel and it should just peel off like a banana. Perfect, so you're just going to do the same with the second plantain. But I mean, you guys already saw this, so let's cut it. So as you can see, we want these to sit up, so I got a really good tip for you. So that is to slice a little right under where it's going to sit. So just a little, so you can have a flat surface to sit. Do the same with the other. You don't want your plantains to be falling to the sides while you're trying to stuff them. So this is what it looks like when you lay them down to the side. See, a nice flat surface. Next, we're just going to want to fry them. We're actually just going to brown them in the pan itself. We don't want to cook them fully here because we're just at the end, we're just going to add it to the oven anyways. So about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We just want a nice brown color here. That's exactly what you would want. You would want that nice browning when flipping them. 2 to 3 minutes and then you take them out. Perfect. So this is what you're gonna wanna have here. We're gonna cut a slit right down the plantain itself, but we're leaving a 1/4 inch in both sides. You don't wanna go from end to end, just a 1/4 inch. You're going to want to cut it like so. You also want to be careful not to cut all the way through. You just want to cut midway. Now, this is my tip. This is what's easier for me. I take my tongs, put it in the slit, and I pull apart. I'm also pushing down with my tongs, but not all the way where I break it, just midway. Take my tongs, put it in the slit, pull apart. And then go in with my fingers to open the slit a bit more, since we really want to stuff them really good here with ground beef. Perfect, so now you have your ground beef. I have mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. You can definitely opt out in any of the cheeses and just use ground beef. People also use eggs as well, but I'm just gonna not use that for this video. So you're just gonna wanna stuff the plantain with ground beef, and the trick here is that you're gonna wanna stuff it and push down at the same time. So you can have a lot of ground beef in there. After you stuff the ground beef, you're just gonna wanna put the cheese on it and just put it on a parchment paper, as you can see, so it can bake. Bake for a good 18 minutes and this is what you should see. Thank you so much for watching. Making these canoes was a nice twist on the patelong. If it reminds you of a patelong, it's because it's absolutely the same steps. It's just how you're building it. It's different, which I found easier because you're just using the plantain itself and that is it. Now with these canoes, what I paired mine was just a simple white rice. Simple white rice, it hit the spot. It was really good. With this canoe, you can do with white rice, with some yellow rice, some beans, absolutely anything. Now I do want to remind you guys of our schedule. We'll be posting twice a week. It will be every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So please stay tuned for that. Hit the alarm buttons like that. You're notified every time we post a video, so don't forget that. Now again, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know how you do your canoes. You may have done it different. You know, there's options. You can do yours with ground beef or ground turkey, ground chicken, or if you don't want to add meat at all, you could definitely just do eggplant and just do vegetarian versions, which is also interesting and tasty as well. So let me know how you do yours. Stay tuned, and again, it's very much appreciated that you're watching my videos. Thank you.